Hello YouTube, Soylent Green again. I'm going to do another demo vid. Gold Rush by Legend, 28 shot. Only doing this because I've heard it's changed. It used to do a volley of 5 horsetails, which I really like, but I've heard it's changed to one shot at a time, which I'll kind of be disappointed if that's the case. I might have to figure something out. But I'll go ahead and read the performance. Alright, Legend improved effect with double willow waterfall with blue pistol, double brocade crown waterfall with red pistol, silver palm tree with green fish mines, and finale with king of brocade crown. Alright, Gold Rush, Legend, 28 shot. Alright, this is Gold Rush by Legend.